My name is Samya, and I've been here for the last 2 weeks. So I reached out to Arogya physiotherapy for DR and hernia problem. I was suffering from DR for the last 4 years. I had my pregnancy in December 2018. So I reached out to a couple of physiotherapists and doctors, but I did not find the right solution. So I came to know about the Arogya physiotherapy on YouTube. I just went through some shots and reviews by the patients, and that's how I reached out to Pooja ma'am. And Pooja ma'am explained the therapy thoroughly. What is the physiotherapy that you're going to follow? What are the exercises? So I just believed and started my therapy. So it's been 12 days currently today, 12th day, and I could see the results. And I want to explain my data. The rate of space that I had was, vertical it was around 10 to 12, and horizontally I had around 6 centimeters. Now it's almost come up to 1.5 to 2 around this. So I'm glad, and I'm gonna follow these exercises and also gonna follow the physiotherapy. And hernia was also reduced compared to what I was before and now. So I could see the difference. And my bloating issues are reduced, and I could see the inch loss that I have. And also I can feel that more the muscles are a little tighter. I could feel the muscle tightness, stiffness when I'm sitting or doing my exercise. I could feel that. So glad, and I'm happy for the team. The team is really friendly, and I wish if you have any issues with DR, there's a right place to come for the treatment. Thank you so much.